manual, a manual check-in every morning by the teacher or anytime during the day by the teacher. So the next thing you want to do is, so you don't need to scan. So if you find it difficult scanning the ID card, you can once the student have an ID card, automatically you can do a manual check-in as a staff or as an admin. So, and any staff can scan the student as well anytime during the day with the manual attendance. So what you need to do is this: go to more, go to more at the bottom of your screen. Here we have more. So when you click on more, you will see staff attendance, subject attendance, visitors, and student attendance. So this same manual approach, you can do the same thing for staff as well. So, but I'll be showing you for students. So if you click on student attendance, you will see check-in, check-out. I want to check in student. That means probably the first attendance in the morning by the teacher or anyone. Check-in, click on the check-in. Now we've added the options of you checking all the students at once. So if you have all of them, it's just like you calling attendance, calling Eva Brown, Baker, DME, Benjamin Taylor, So now what you need to select is the attendance type. Okay, we have morning attendance. Now, Eva Brown is in school, tick it. Baker DME is in school, tick on it. Benjamin, tick. So you can tick all of these students. If you notice they are in school, just tick, 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 tick. So if you think probably others are not in school, then just scroll down and click on check in. Check in. So when you check them in, automatically the system saves those data. So those students are not in check-in any longer. So if you want to see those students, you can come to students. You'll be able to see them. So now we have total present 13, total absent 19. So you'll be able to see all of them. Yeah. And if I want to check them out, maybe when they are going home, I will go back to more. You can scan them out if you think you want to scan them, or you can still do the manual. So just go back to more, student attendance, check out. So these are all the students you want to check out. So if you think all of them are here, just click on this tick all. So check out all students may take a few minutes, but just tick. So automatically the system tick all of them for you. Then you just check them out. Or let me just untick 2, and then I check out the remaining one. So system processes checkout, and automatically all of them will be checked out for that day. So if I go back to student now, I will see those that I have checked out. So you can see them check out, check out, check out, and you can see the 2 students that have not checked out yet. So with this approach, a teacher can do this anytime during the day. So the system will only capture the time you do that, you mark that attendance. So I hope with this, you won't be having any issue with daily marking of student attendance. You can do the same approach for staff. Just go back to more, select staff attendance, check in, proceed, and then just tick. So just tick, 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 and then so this helps you to keep track of daily attendance in a manual way, and this is being recorded as well on a daily basis. So it is the stress of you taking attendance at the end of the term. So at the end of the term, if you want to do their report card and you notice, okay, this is the, so we leave that space for you to edit it. So probably there is a day you didn't clock them in or something. So there's a way you will edit it on your portal, in your main EDU-SLICK portal. So there's a way you edit it to get the accurate data. So I hope this helped. Thank you.